What's going on, home chefs? Today's episode, we have what some would call an English biscuit, aka a scone. There are quite a few variations of a scone. In this recipe, we're making cream tea scones. These scones are light and fluffy. It only takes a few ingredients to make. Before we start baking, let's get the prep work out the way. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a digital scale if you have one, weigh out 3 cups of all-purpose flour or 360 grams. Weigh out a third a cup or 67 grams of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm using vanilla extract paste. It's the same thing, but it has vanilla bean paste flakes inside. 1 1/3 cup of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of sparkling or sanding sugar. To a large bowl, add the flour, salt, baking powder, and the regular sugar. Whisk everything together. Add the vanilla extract to the heavy cream, mix into the heavy cream. Pour the liquid into the flour mixture while stirring at the same time. Do not pour all the cream at once. After adding all the cream, stir the flour until a dough ball forms. Try to incorporate all the flour into the dough. Add some flour to your work area or counter. Dump the dough ball onto the flour surface. Divide the dough into 2 equal pieces. Roll the dough into circles, 5.5 inches wide and 3/4 inches thick. Add the scones to a large baking sheet covered with parchment paper. Cover the scones with some heavy cream. Top the circles with the sparkling sugar. Make sure you cover the entire circle. Cut 6 wedges into the circle. Pull the wedges apart. Leave about 1 inch space in between the wedges. Form a circle with the wedges. Here's another angle of me cutting the wedges. I messed up on the first circle. Again, make sure you pull apart the wedges. Leave some space in between the wedges, no more than an inch. Place the baking sheet in the freezer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, place the baking sheet in the oven and bake for 14 minutes. There you have it, some cream tea scones. Simple to make, few ingredients, but a great taste.